something extra to help with practicing colors in Afrikaans. And I'll first have pictures with different color clouds with the Afrikaans word and English word. And then when I'm through all the colors, it'll be the clouds again, but I won't be speaking. And there will be time, or mommy or daddy can just pause the video and you must tell them which color it is that you see at that moment. So, kleure. Blou, rooi, geel, groen, pers, oranje, swart, wit, grys, pink. Right, now you can see I have the color cloud and there's different ones. And it's your turn now to try and say the color in Afrikaans by just looking at the cloud and without the word being there.